Hi traders, this is Chris from Elite Currency with an update on gold, XAU, USD. It's been a while that we took a look at this golden instrument, so let's take a look right now together. Alright, so this is the daily chart and we had 2, 4, 6 days not breaking above this top here. So at this moment it's about 50-50 I think whether price is going to make a retracement to the downside first or if it is going to break to the upside. This is in a way a triangle pattern. It is a continuation pattern. However, if the continuation pattern doesn't continue, if price doesn't continue within a certain time frame, then it could also actually become a reversal pattern. So I think the border of that is somewhere today. If we get a breakout today, then that's still, I think, within a decent time frame, and there could be a valid, strong breakout without a very big risk of a false breakout. However, if the breakout happens tomorrow, or if it doesn't break by today, and we're looking at the chart tomorrow, then I think a reversal / false breakout is becoming more likely. All right, so a reversal will be measured by a break of this support trend line and basically the support zone of the triangle pattern. If it breaks through that, then there could be a bigger kind of retracement or reversal. I think a retracement. If the breakout does occur today, we might get a continuation of gold up to 1320. I'll tell you why that specific level. Let's take a look at this weekly chart first of all. So when we look at the weekly chart, we see a big momentum to the upside. I still think that's the dominant swing at this point, and that this is all a correction of that upside bullish momentum. So I think we're looking at a wave A right here, a wave B, a wave C, and a wave D. So far, this triangle is valid as long as price doesn't break above the tops and the bottoms. This particular formation is good to go. So we have A, B, C. I think this could be wave D. So where could wave D end? By the way, and then after that we would expect a wave E to finish the triangle, and then up we go. So we could put a fib from here to here, like this. And I think that the next target could be the 78.6 fib at 1320, as you can see. All right, so if we do get a continuation, that's the next level. Now, what could happen is that within wave D, we might be building a wave A, B, C, for instance, up to 78.6 fib. So this could also be a turning spot at the 61.8 fib. So therefore, if price does break below this triangle, I think we might see a move down. In that case, we'll put the fib from the bottom to the top, like this, to find out what could be a bouncing spot. And in that case, typical could be the 50, 38, 61.8 fib could be bouncing spot. So there is some space there, as you can see, to fall, test these fibs, look for bullish candlestick patterns at these fibs for a move up to the -272 target. This fall is a wave, potential wave B, all right? So within wave B, we would expect a wave A, B, C to take place. And if we see this pattern, that could confirm the blue wave B. However, if price really starts to fall a lot and quickly, then something else might be going on. This might not be the wave A of a wave D. In that case, if it really starts to fall quickly, it could be a different pattern that's taking place. This could all be part of a bigger wave A, B, C, for instance, zigzag perhaps, or flat. And perhaps this is still an expanded wave 4 here, wave 1, 2, 3, 4. This could be wave 1 right here. Price didn't go into that territory as yet. You can put a line right there so you can see it, just barely. So, it could still be an expansion of wave C, and we might get one more lower low that could retest, for instance, this bottom right in here. All right, so that's something to think about and be aware of if we get very strong momentum to the downside. The breakout below the 21 EMA is key, because if we get a break, pull back, and continue, then we would expect a lower low. If price moves choppily to the downside, if we get an ABC zigzag like this, then I don't expect a break of this bottom. I expect price to respect these fibs, turn around and move up to the 1320, then turn back down in the ABC fashion for the wave V, and then turn back up again to finally break above the resistance top and make a move to the upside, an expanded, bigger move to the upside. So this is, for the moment, the expected path of least resistance for price. And we'll see what happens. Looking today is pretty important whether I think this formation will break to the up or downside. We'll find out. If it moves sideways for another week, so if next week, let's say by January 22, 23, 24, it's still going sideways, Then the odds, I think, shift again to be, that this is a triangle that is more looking for a bullish breakout rather than a retracement, all right? But then it would have to go sideways for a significant period of time, for at least another week. We're talking, I would say the last week of January. If it's still going sideways and if it's still above the 23.6 fib in general, then it could be a bull flag, it could be a lengthy consolidation period, and then in that case, I do think that the bullish breakout becomes again more likely. All right, more live analysis at elitecurrency.com with ecs.LIVE trading. Check it out. Check the link out for our, to understand what we offer. We have live setups, we have live analysis, and live webinars. All of that within ecs.LIVE. Hope that you join us. In any case, wish you all great trading. Talk to you soon. Cheers.